up like a
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
He did not want me. He did not want to be in my life. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we're going to be doing a different kind of video that's on my channel. Well, it's not super different because it's still an unboxing technically, but it is a different kind of unboxing. Normally we do like beauty, I was gonna say fashion, but like
I don't do fashion.
look at like my fashion equals like comfortable. Like the more comfortable, the better. But I do open a lot of like beauty subscriptions, makeup, skincare, stuff like that, lifestyle, wellness. But this subscription that we're going to be getting into today, you guys, is a crystal subscription. I'm actually so excited about this. I've been getting into crystals recently, you guys. Little backstory here. I have always thought crystals were pretty. I thought that they were like interesting and I was like,
wow, they come from the earth, that's really cool.
but recently I have been getting into crystals and I've been going hardcore, you guys. It's like not even a joke. It's a slight little problem just because I've been buying a lot of them. I am super excited. I want to go on the website really quick so I can pull up all the info. Okay, so the box that I did get, this is from the Crystal Gemstone shop. I actually googled like crystal subscription boxes and then I found a website and it gave, I think it was Crate Joy, something like that. I think that was the name of the website, and it gave me like 15 different crystal subscriptions. I can't talk. Gave me like 15 crystal subscription boxes, and I found this one that I'm unboxing today. This one did retail for $39.95, which is pretty pricey for a subscription. This is a gem or like a gemstone crystal subscription, so I don't know what they normally would go for, but it says you will receive 7 to 10 gemstone items in your box, which may include crystal clusters, tumble gemstones, gemstone towers or obelisks, spheres, animal carvings, pendulums or jewelry, rough gemstones, or gemstone sets. This seems like a really cool subscription box and I am so super excited, but I want to throw out a little disclaimer really quick. I want to let you guys know I am not a crystal expert. I am barely a crystal beginner. I just got into it about a couple weeks ago, and if I don't know something that is in this, I'm learning, and I really just think crystals are just gorgeous and they're so pretty and I would love to learn more about them, but I don't know all of that yet. I don't know all the ins and outs about them yet, but yeah, I'm learning. If you know a lot about them, please feel free to educate me a little bit more in the comments. I would love to talk to you about it. But you guys, I've been rambling non-stop. Let's get into it. Without further ado, if you'd like to see what is in my crystal subscription, just keep on watching. So here is the box. This is what it came in. Now I have already opened it. I haven't looked at anything inside it, but the reason that I opened it was because I actually got two boxes and I wasn't sure which one was which, so I opened both of them, but then I saw this one was the subscription, so I just took off my address on the front here and we're gonna open it up together because I literally have no idea what's in this box and I'm really excited, you guys. I'm super stoked. Here is a little card. It just says package contains amazing gemstones that will bring uncontrollable happiness, smiles, and joy, brought to you by the people who love gems like family. Oh, that's really sweet. Ooh, okay. So I see two little things in here. I see this box and I see this kind of like folded thing. Here is the folded thing. Let's go ahead and open this first just because I don't know what to expect in here. I don't know what this is. Okay, so I've got it open here and it has a bunch of cards, I think, or something like that. Oh look, this is cute. It says it's a little free gift.
Oh, it's serpentine!
It says it's a little free gift and it's a little bitty thing of serpentine. How cute. That's fun. Thank you for the free gift. I really appreciate that. What? Why? These are a lot of trees. Oh gosh, oh I don't look, oh I messed it up. Oh, I think I just looked. Okay, so these tell you what you got. I opened this one up and I can't talk for one. I accidentally saw that. So I think that is one of the things that I have in here. So I'm not gonna look at that anymore. So here is the actual box right here. And this is actually really cute. It's got a bunch of, I honestly don't know what these are, you guys. I'm really so sorry. Please don't hate me. But it says Crystal Gemstone Shop on the front. It is a really, really pretty box. Like, this is really cute. Do I need a sharp utensil? I might just be able to use my fingernail. Oh, they're all like individually packaged. This is adorable. They're all like individually packaged like this. That is so cute. This one on the front says rose quartz and it's nice and wrapped. The packaging in these are really, really nice. The packaging is great.
Oh.
This one is a tumbled stone, I believe, and this one is a rose quartz, and it is in a heart shape. How cute are you? This is adorable. This is a really, really cute rose quartz. Again, it is tumbled, I believe. When they're like really smooth and they all feel like this, I'm assuming that means that they're tumbled, but I'm not entirely sure. So please let me know in the comments because I know there's people out there that know way more about crystals than I do. This next one here says blue quartz. I've never heard of a blue quartz before. Oh, okay. This is cool. This seems to be kind of like maybe like a palm stone or something. Here's what this one looks like. Very, very cute. I will have to, I'm assuming the properties and stuff are going to be in this little thing, but this seems to be kind of like a palm stone that you keep in your hand, maybe to just kind of like hold on to. Very cute. Next up in this green, ooh, we got some jasper. This one is bricated jasper. Is that what this says? Here it is right here, bricated jasper. Ooh, this is like a little sphere. How cute is this? It's a little jasper sphere, and this is gorgeous. This is really, really pretty. I don't know if you can even see that. Look at this. And it does seem to have like a bit of a thing on the bottom to where it could stand up on its own. Very, very cool. While I'm zoomed in here, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the blue quartz up close. And I'll also show you the rose quartz up close. Look at that. And please don't pay attention to my nails. I painted them the other day and now they already look like donkey butt. So there's that one too. This next one, it is in a red Amazonite. It's Amazonite. I've never heard of this one either. This one's really cool. I'm excited. This one's a little pyramid. This is cool. Now this one's cool. Amazonite. I've never heard of this kind of crystal before, but this is super cute. I feel like I have to zoom in because I don't think it's doing justice. It's so cool. It's a little pyramid. This is super cute. I'm really excited with this one. Here is another big box right here. It seems like we have 3 big boxes. This one's the biggest out of all of them. And this one says Sunstone on it. Oh, this is up my alley. This is up my alley, you guys. This is looks like to be a raw sunstone. And this is just beautiful. See, for some reason, I love the crystals that look like
Rocks.
Is that weird? Is anybody else like that? But something like this is just so up my alley, and this is a sunstone. How cool is that? This one's gonna go on my display so I can show it off because that's really, really cool. And next up we have 4 teeny tiny little boxes. This one says chocolate calcite. I have heard of calcite before, but I've only heard of blue calcite. Here's what this looks like. It is very pretty. It is very, very pretty. I love the brown color to it. It is a gorgeous stone. Next up we have Dalmatian jasper. I have heard of this one.
Yes.
Here it is, Dalmatian jasper. Look how cool. This is very neat. I've never seen anything like this before. This is really, really cool. I think this is super cool looking. I really like this one a lot. It's really, really sick. I have more crystals coming in the mail within the next few days, and then I'm gonna do a crystal like collection, and I'm just like so hyped. I can't wait. It's gonna be a good time. Ooh, this next one is called Aqua Obsidian. That's definitely two things that I never thought would be in the same category. Like, I know obsidian is black, but this one is aqua obsidian. Ooh, this is very, very clear. It literally looks like water. I've never heard of aqua obsidian before. I'll have to look it up like a...
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
He did not want me. He did not want to be in my life. But I have never heard of aqua obsidian before. If you can see, it has this like very, very blue, like light blue. It looks like literally transparent. It looks like water. This is so cool. And then the last one we have here, you guys, is none other than Tiger's Eye. I've heard a lot about Tiger's Eye as well. People seem to really like Tiger's Eye, so that's really fun. It looks really, really cool. Tiger's Eye is fun. Ooh, that's nice. Look at that glow. Look at that. That's really pretty. I like that. I like that a lot. Alrighty, you guys, that is the end of the box. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 items. Well, 10 if you include the free gift, but I'm not including that. But we got 9 crystals, and then let's go ahead and go through this monster worth of paper, and I'll read you what they say. So it says the metaphysical properties of sunstone. You'll be able to break free from the rut you find yourself in with life and seize upon the greatest opportunities the world has to offer. If you want to read that, you can. And then this one is the properties of blue quartz. Blue quartz can help you push through negative energy in your life and cleanse your thoughts for greater clarity and focus and on your path to success. This one is properties of brocaded jasper. It's a great gemstone to help you work with your sexual energy. Hubba hubba. This stone provides a solid foundation of supportive energies that flow through your consciousness and subconsciousness to reveal your innermost desires and needs for success. One thing I wish that this had is I wish that it had a retail value thing. Any kind of other subscription box, they would give you like a retail value as to what, like how much this sunstone was worth. I think that would be really nice to know because this box is $40 and I think with shipping it was like $43 or $47, I forgot. Rose quartz. Rose quartz eases feelings of anxiety, jealousy, and anger while promoting peace, happiness, and inspiration. Here are the properties of Dalmatian jasper. It's a lively stone that plays to your sense of youthfulness, creativity, and joy. The properties of Tiger's Eye. It has a natural energy field which repels negativity and keeps the troubles of others from impacting your life. I think Tiger's Eye is really cool. One of my friends said that he had a few pieces of Tiger's Eye and that he liked it. And then here are the properties of aqua blue obsidian. It's still so strange to me. I didn't know obsidian came in blue. I thought it only came in black. That's why it's called obsidian. I don't know. Blue obsidian is the stone of the water element, drawing a parallel between us and our aquatic energies. It's also a stone of the mind, allowing clarity and focus, lucid dreams, and encouraging intuitive power. Very fun. Here is chocolate calcite. Chocolate calcite is fantastic for increasing your awareness of prosperity and opportunities for personal growth within your life. Very cool. And then here is the properties of amazonite. The gemstone has a tranquil energy that provides a manifestation of courage, fidelity, and honesty. The more you work with the gemstone, the stronger you feel a connection to your inner self. So yeah, you guys, that has been the subscription. This is really, really sweet. I do think this is a really fun idea. Now, just for me, these like tumbled stones, these really, really small ones, I'm not going to get any kind of use out of these. I personally am not going to be using crystals for like any kind of like spell casting or anything like that. I know a lot of people do that and I think that's phenomenal, but that's just not what I'm going to use them for. I do find them really, really beautiful and I'm definitely going to have them around my house because they do put out such a really great energy. I do think that each individual crystal was packaged wonderfully with care. Like you can tell the people that have this company really do care about the crystals and want them to arrive to you safely, because like if you look inside each one of these, they were all wrapped in like this. They all have their like individual little like padding in there, if you can see that. So they were all really nicely packaged. They were all taped just so they wouldn't like fly out or anything. Let me know what you think. This is not just me. I know a lot of people are into crystals and I think that's fantastic. If you're into tumbled stones, let me know what your favorite crystal is in general. Let me know what you use them for, if you use them for meditation, rituals, and if you use crystals for anything else in particular, please let me know. I'll be very interested, very happy to hear about it, you know? You guys, that is going to be my crystal unboxing for the Crystal Gemstone shop for the month of August. I am very excited that I did get this. But yeah, I really hope that you did like it, you guys. If you did, then go ahead and click up that like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see other videos that I post, and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!